I think that Strega sometimes has a reputation as a noisy or even harsh synthesizer, but is it capable of pleasant ambient tones? Let's patch it up with a zero control and a zero coast and find out. I've set absorb and filter both fairly low to de-emphasize some of the higher frequency noise elements, and blend fairly high so that we'll hear mostly echo and or ambience. Let's control pitch with zero control. The steps of the sequence are mostly zeroed out for something like a drone. Let's send one step gate output to the agitation function. So we get a filter modulation once per sequence. Let's use another to gate the zero coast contour. And we'll let the contour subtly modulate the Strega tones as well. Let's try controlling this dynamics CV input, not with the contour, but with the slope generator. Let's modulate its pitch and the slope time randomly twice per sequence. We'll mult two step gates to the zero coast tempo input, and then mult the random voltage through the voltage math, pretty heavily attenuated, to both the volt per octave and the time CV input. We can use the strength control on Strega to determine how much zero coast we want in the mix. If we want a little more oomph to these pulses, we could turn up balance to bring in overtones. Or we could FM it lightly with the Strega triangle. Also stop the clock and play by hand. whenever we leave and come back to steps 1 or 4, we get new pitches and rates for the zero coast. I find this sort of sound to be pleasing and calming. Some would probably say it's dark ambient or some other modifier. Regardless, I think it can be useful to take time to make room for patching throughout the spectrum. Do you like to do patches like this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy patching.